In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine a line graph and column graph in Microsoft Excel using combo charts. To begin, make sure you already have your data entered in Excel. Typically, this will be in a simple table with labels in the first row, like months or categories, and then one or more columns of numbers you want to compare. Combo charts work best when you have at least two related data series. For example, sales numbers and a target or percentage. First, select the entire range of data that you want to include in your chart. Click and drag from the top left cell of your table down to the bottom right cell so that all headings and values are highlighted. This helps Excel understand exactly which data series to plot. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the Chart section. Instead of choosing a standard column or line chart, click on the option labeled Insert Combo Chart, or find Combo in the Chart options. In some Excel versions, you might need to click on Recommended Charts first, then switch to the Combo tab. A dialog box will appear showing a preview of how your data can be combined. Here, Excel usually suggests a default combination, such as clustered columns with one series as a line. Take a moment to check that each data series is assigned the chart type you want. For example, you might keep your main values as clustered columns and change your comparison or trend series to a line. If one of your series has a very different scale, like percentages compared to large numbers, tick the box to plot that series on the secondary axis. This makes the chart easier to read because each axis can have its own scale. Once you're happy with the setup, click OK. Excel will insert your combo chart into the worksheet. From here, you can customize it further. Click on the chart title to rename it to something clear and descriptive. Use the Chart Elements button to add or adjust axis titles and the legend, so viewers understand what each color and line represents. Finally, you can fine-tune the formatting. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to change colors, line styles, and column widths. Aim for a clean look with good contrast so your combined line and column chart clearly highlights the relationship between your data series.